What's up, Freedom Agents? Arttemis Prime here, founder of the Freedom Team International and master trainer to agents worldwide. Today I want to talk about creating an environment where your genius can flourish. How do you stay in that creative mode where you're creating content and lead magnets and videos and value in your marketplace, and you're doing that attraction marketing? You know, if you've been feeling trapped and tired, if you feel like you're on a hamster wheel and just confusing activity with accomplishment, this video is for you to help you become that next generation agent. You know, I teach the Freedom Agent formula, the clear mind, the powerful position, lead generation mastery, and systems that flow. And you're going to create this in your business through a pristine environment where your genius can flourish. So let's dive in and talk about that environment. And the first thing you want to create is an altar. You want to have a spiritual focus. You want to be sitting in a sacred place in your office every morning and doing your meditation to connect to your superconscious insight, intuition, vision. Your vision, your intuition will lead you to the next steps, the direction you need to go to create more business right now, today. And every morning I teach the Freedom 5, which is hydration, movement, meditation. That meditation is one of the most important steps every morning, and you want to have an altar to create that field. The next thing for your environment, your genius office, is your passion board. Now you're going to need passion, values, and skills in your business to succeed and build the business life you love. The passion is connected also to what you value. So on the passion board, you're going to write your values. My values are wealth, creativity, contribution, freedom, family, community. As I'm doing this video right now, I'm actually communicating how to become more successful in your real estate business through creativity, contribution, and as you create this environment, you become more creative and you're able to contribute to your real estate market and get more done through this type of environment. Now, another thing you want to have in your passion board is that financial goal. You want to have that North Star in your business. This is my goal for production, commissions. What's the total number? What are you doing every week? What new skills and passions are you connecting to generate that goal? And so your North Star financially is really, really important. And when we get into the 1-year vision and the business plan in the Clear Mind module, you'll learn more about how to stay accountable to moving towards that North Star and achieving more. So we have the altar, we have the passion board. Now let's talk about your 6-foot whiteboard, baby. Look at this thing. I love this because when I come in the morning and I have ideas for content or ideas or people I need to follow up with in my real estate pipeline, or maybe I'm launching a promotion calendar where I'm doing a series of like seller's guides, lead magnets, and videos, and I'm creating a funnel. I want to be able to write that out and then hold myself accountable for a what by when mentality. You know, wherever you are in your genius zone, everyone's a genius in real estate. And if you're a dynamo genius or blaze genius, you're great at starting things, but you're not so good at finishing things. If you're a tempo or steel, sometimes you get stuck in a rut and you lose sight of the vision. So what this whiteboard does is it connects you to both those blind spots and it helps you finish what you start. So a 6-foot whiteboard is super, super powerful. And it's definitely helpful for establishing that clear mind and also creating lead generation mastery inside your zone of genius. Now walk over here to my office where I actually do my follow-up, my lead gen, my contracts, everything. This is my masterpiece. This is my standing desk. Now, if you don't have the money for any of those, just start with the altar and the passion board. Just go get you a 4-foot whiteboard, start there. But when you're ready to invest into high performance mode, high creation mode, and create a lot more content, including videos for your real estate market, I recommend this type of setup. And so I have first an anti-fatigue mat here on the bottom, so you can see I'm standing on an anti-fatigue mat, and I've got this beautiful standing desk. Now I stand most of my day, and I also follow my flow. If you want to learn about how to follow your flow, click the link below this video or up here on the little card you see on the top right, and you can get access to understanding your zone of genius, how to follow your flow when you're coming into lead generation time. Remember the 5 freedom rhythms. The Freedom 5 is hydration, movement, meditation, reading, and then do the 2 hours of lead generation. You're doing this in the first 2 to 3 hours of every day. When you come to your desk for lead generation, you can put a little towel under here as a support for your keyboard, and having 2 monitors will literally double your productivity. When I added the second monitor, I can bring all my contracts, all my other websites, all the projects I have running in the pipeline can go over here, and I can do what I'm doing in my main focus here. 2 monitors literally can double your productivity. And then this is the setup. I also have like some oils and diffusers and keep my mind clear. I have my botanicals here to support my kidneys and adrenals and keep my body, healthy and vital. This is my genius environment. I wanted to welcome you into my office because you probably see me really creating and succeeding a lot in my business on multiple dimensions. And one of the secrets to my creativity and my success is I create an environment where my genius can fully flourish. I follow my flow. I know who I am in my real estate business. I know what type of agent I am, and I actually do what I love and I do what I do best inside an environment that is supportive to that. So this is Arttemis Prime. I'm here to help you become the next generation agent and build the business and life you love with ideas and systems that flow. Like this video, comment below this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is for all agents, brokers, and teams all over the world to build the business and life they love. I love you. I support you in thriving in your business, and stay tuned for the next video.